an expert, gusto ko lang makita yung perception mo. Yung sa Nike Air Max 90, promo shoes ng Nike. Ayan, nakalagay, promo sample. Siyempre, may signature ni Sen. Ayan. Ginamit sa weigh-in ng Mayweather.
Oh my God.
And,
Yung Mayweather fight.
yes. After the 8th division title, nakuha niya to, binigay ng Nike. Magkano to sa isang sneaker collector? How much yung worth nito?
Between Mayweather
Here we
and
see the shot
Pacquiao.
from Floyd's angle, a jab, and then again the straight left comes right off the jab. I don't think Floyd was expecting it, and it got his attention. Let's see if this starts to change kind of the flow of the fight as a
The body trying to find that precious real estate. It's very valuable on Floyd Mayweather's body because he rarely gets hit.
Okay? 850. Maraming salamat.
Tanggalin na to.
850 para sa isang sapatos.
Grabe.